Hi guys, how's everyone doing? This is Pete. Today I'm so excited to share my first experience playing Nintendo Switch games on my gaming PC with the Yuzu application with you guys. But before I start, I would like to show you the gaming system which I'll be playing the Nintendo Switch games on. So here it is. This gaming system is built in an XPG Defender Pro gaming case, and it comes with 3 pre-installed RGB case fans and a front mesh panel for efficient airflow. I'll show you the system information and the specs of this gaming PC. I have the latest Microsoft Windows 11 Pro. I have the Intel i7 6700K with 4.0 GHz. I have 16 gigs of DDR4 with 3000 MHz. As far as the display, I have the Nvidia Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1080 graphics card. So we're gonna start right now. I'm gonna launch the Yuzu application right now. As you can see, I already pre-installed 5 Nintendo Switch games. But first I would like to demonstrate the gameplay of the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. This game used to be the most high demanding game when Nintendo Switch first come out. So I would love to show you the gameplay on my gaming PC with this game. So here's the intro. Okay, now that's the end of the intro, and now I'm going to start the gameplay to show you guys the performance of playing this game with the Yuzu app.
Time battle. Kirby.
So far the gameplay is pretty smooth, but every once in a while there will be a minor hiccup because the Yuzu is still under development. This is not too new, but it's still new considering that the developer had to do a lot of work with the Yuzu application to make everything work as smooth as they can. But to me, playing this game on the gaming PC right now, it seems like there's really not a whole big difference compared to playing in the actual Nintendo Switch console. So as you can see on the bottom right, I have the cursor on the FPS, which is frame per second, and so far it's at 16 frames per second so far. In order to get the 60 frames per second, you have to install additional files to the Yuzu app, which is called the 16 frames per second app. And I have to install the latest update for the Super Smash Bros. For this emulator to make it run smoother. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment below.